What's up, y'all? It's Network Brett. Today I'm switching it up a little bit. I want to do a challenge with the audience. So I have never studied for the AWS exam of a practitioner. I just got my CCNA. Lately at work, I've been kind of bored. My job is pretty boring, so I just need something else to push. I need to keep going. I figured I used to want every other Cisco cert, but now I'm thinking it might be better off to get a cloud certification. So I figure I'll start with the easiest that Amazon has to offer from what I hear. So today is actually the 9th. I'm testing next week on the 16th. It's not a lot of time to prepare. So I'm really pushing myself, challenging myself. I'm pretty much gonna watch a 14-hour video throughout the next week and then do some practice exams when I can. I work full time. I'm a parent. I It's not like I'm just studying all day, but I'm going to try to put in at least 14 hours. I drive an hour to work, so I'm going to be able to listen to it. And if you want to join me on this and try to get your AWS certified cloud practitioner certification, go ahead and join me. Comment below, what time frame you want to do it in, how long you're going to study or whatever, and then comment what you're going to do for yourself if you pass. So I think I might buy Baskin Robbins for myself if I pass this exam, or just to take the exam. And I don't have to pass. The important part is pushing yourself and just making a step towards something. Like I said, I don't have any Amazon AWS experience. I do have my CCNA and a couple other certs, so I feel like this test is going to be fairly easy, but I'm also only giving myself a week. So it's a real challenge for me. I'm going to have to put my nose to the grindstone, as they say. And if you want to join me, definitely comment. Uh, I posted about me taking my CCNA exam. The response I got was very positive. So I'm thinking, why not do a fun challenge, get the community involved? Maybe I'll encourage somebody else to just send it, man. I mean, the test is $100. That could be cheap or expensive for you. I'm not sure. For me, it's somewhere in the middle. I don't have a ton of money, but I have $100 I can spend on an exam. Definitely, if it's going to push me in a direction that furthers my career one day. I'm not saying this certification is important enough, but it is my first Amazon certification. If you got all the Amazon certifications, I promise you would make more money. So I don't know that I can promise you that. I won't guarantee it, but I am pretty sure. So yeah, join me on this challenge. I know I went rambling, but maybe it'll inspire somebody else to start their cloud Amazon AWS certification journey. That's all I'm trying to do. Join the challenge, have some fun, take a risk, get a little anxiety before the test, have some fun.